Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna make this little flip for the journal. And so I already added in one of the pages, and you can put pictures here, and you have pockets here. And when you go to the next page, you have one here and one here. Okay, so let's do it. I have everything cut so we don't use so much time. What I did, let me tell you, this is just a piece of tea-dye paper, and this is 8.5 by 4 3/4, and I folded in 3 1/4. I did the first one, the second one, and this one is going to be the one that goes attached to the other page. So let's start to decorating. And let's see. Let me see what I did here. Yes. Make sure that I have the paper. And how you doing with your journal? Are you moving forward? I thought to share those insert that I have put in my journal, because if I do it in one video, we will be here all day long. So those are some ideas that you can do or not. You choose what to do and how. I just want to give you some ideas. We go to the next side, and we have the pocket here. I didn't do the notch because the tag are gonna be big, so I didn't want to waste the design. Oh, Claudia, that's not straight. One. And two. We're gonna put, let's see, we have a little pocket here. This is the one that we're gonna do right now. And so let's add this. This one here. Okay, and so this one is almost ready. This is the tag that goes down here. So let's do this one. This is one of the background from the I think it's the dragon creation, or creation dragon. It's so cute. Look, the little socks and the chocolate. And this one of the tabs from the collection too. This is the one that goes here. Now, you see, it was very, very easy. So we have to find a page to put it on. And let's see which one. This one already have a back. Let's use this one. Now, the page is totally white. Let's put something here so it's not that bright. Let's see. I thought I have both pages here, but I don't see them. Oh. Let's add this. What about this? This one is cute. I still want to put something there. Let's use this. Let me mark for cutting. So let's add this one. Oh, maybe this side is a little bit nicer. It's not that bright. Okay. Let's put it as straight as we can. Okay. Now we're gonna attach this one on top. This is all part of the collection. So you still have space to write. Let's attach the pocket that is going to go. I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put it up here because up here the book's still visible. So here you have it. Oops, you put your pictures You put some tags. Let me see, I have a tag here, so you can put 1 and 2. You can put 1 here and 1 here. And this one is ready. And here we are. 1 and 2. And here is 1 and 2. I need to decorate the other side, but I just want to show you this one. It's very easy and it gives you a lot of space to put tags and stuff. Okay, so that's it. I'll be back with another page of insert and see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.